Daisy tiptoed through her garden. It was very sunny and very noisy. "You're buzzing too loud," she told the bees. And then she tiptoed over to the birds in the trees. "Shh! You're tweeting too loud," she said. And then she tiptoed down to the duck pond. "Shh! You're quacking too loud," said Daisy. And then she tiptoed up to the butterflies. "Your fluttering is making too much noise," she said. And then Daisy tiptoed across to the noisy, jumping, croaking frogs. Daisy said, "Shh!" And then she tiptoed over to the barking dog. "Shh! Too loud," said Daisy. And then she quickly tiptoed down to the tiny insects who were all rustling, buzzing, flapping and humming. Everyone was too noisy. "Shh!" said Daisy. And the insects went quiet. The dog, the frogs, the butterflies, the ducks, the birds, and the bees all went quiet. Daisy was so pleased. She tiptoed over to her favorite place. Where her babies were sleeping. Then Daisy snuggled down, and all was